In this video, let us understand how to make health insurance online project. It's a web application project. We'll show the demo in ASP.NET with C# language with the backend as SQL Server. So this is a project idea. So if you're doing CS course, that is a computer science course, and you need to do a project, so you require an idea like different title, project title. So here health insurance is such a title. So you can make an online project, and the important things in the health insurance is the person has to take the health insurance policy, and this project can be done in ASP.NET or JSP or PHP or Python. So let's see that project details. What is an idea? What are the things we need to do in this particular project? So as we all know, like now the health insurance is privatized and there are many players. There are so many companies that keep coming up. So this company, whatever is, so they're going to provide the life insurance. So they need an online project, so they need an online service, so that we can provide two module. One is admin module and the user module. A user can take up the policy online. So in order to take the policy online, so here the important one is the premium. How much is the premium? So in order to calculate the premium, you need to provide the premium calculator. Premium calculator is based on the what type of policy it is. Therefore there is a policy type, then the policy details. What is this policy? What are the things you get from the details? So based on this, here you can see the list. So user can see the list, policy list and policy detail list, and based on that can calculate the premium. So once the premium calculate, they can apply online. Next onwards, they need to make the payment, so premium payment. So they have to make the premium payment. So here once you take the online policy, so here you can see that list of policy taken. Then you can see the premium payment. So if this much is work, I think it will serve the purpose. So you need to make is both the side, admin side and the user side, there should be a proper communication. For your project, along with that, you have a regular like no on login page, main form page or a menu page, all that will be included. So then if you make around 20 to 30 pages, will do the job. Depends on which university you're doing the course. Here I'll show you the project in ASP.NET, then you get a much more clarity on this, how the whole project works. Then later you got a plan as we discussed already. You can do this project in JSP or PHP or in Python. All options are very much open. So we provide one or the other concept in each project. So therefore, if you're looking for the different project, please browse our channel, and there we have provided a lot of videos. So please check them. And if you have any project requirement or if you want a customized project for your company or your business, please contact us. So let's look at the demo. And if you wish to see the project list, you select the iBlix tutorials, right click on this and then open in the new tab. So here you can see that so iBlix tutorials, and also please subscribe here and click on videos. There if you scroll down, you can see that a lot of videos are there here. So please check out which are the videos you are interested, and based on that, after watching 3-4 videos, then you can get a complete idea like how the whole project works. So based on that, you can choose the title. Right, now let's go back to that Visual Studio here. Right, so here is the admin main page. I'll show you this. What are the options are there in the admin main? So in the admin main, insurance types you need to enter, insurance details we have to enter, then employees who are working in this company, then you can enter. User list, user who last sign up, that is the list. Policy taken list, who are all the users taken online policies, this is the thing. Premium paid, if they paid the premium, that is the list will come. And the FAQ we enter, the user can able to see it here. So if I go to user main, so here you can see the policy type list, they can see premium calculation, so they can check the calculations. Then apply online, so they can apply online for the insurance, and then they have to pay the premium and the premium paid list. So these are things will be in the user. So let's run this. So this is the main page. So here is the background picture. So we can always change. You can put the company name here in case necessary. And then we can go to the login. So these are the common features in every project, and that we can do it different way also, but here we taken as general way. Insurance type, insurance detail. So what are the types of insurance, and then insurance details. Here you can see that individual policy one is entered, or mediclaim policy, or there are different policies are available. So you need to check out on the net and what are the policy types, that all you have to enter in the insurance type. Next is the insurance, and this particular policy, what are the individual policy, that we need to enter here, and then you need to submit. So next is the employee details. We can write all the employee details here and then we can submit. Next is the user list. Overall the user sign up, that list is there here. Now what we can do is we can take a copy of the main address, that is the localhost and the port number. So we press enter key, will take to the main page again. If you go to user login, so if you log in as a user, so here you can see that policy type list. So this is the individual health care policy, individual policy. It's applicable all ages. When you select this, it'll give the complete details. What is this policy is all about. Next is the premium calculation. So individual healthcare policy for 1 lakh, durations is 5 years. Then age of the person, let's say 22. Calculate. So you will get around 6,100 rupees per year. Okay. So now what we can do is we can apply online. So this is 5-year durations and then 22. And then calculate this. Then applicant name. Okay. So Chandan. Right. So then you write the mobile number. Then you have to apply. So here you can see that this is the policy number. This is what very important, 1000 Your policy is over. That means online you applied the policy and your policy is ready. Next is the pay premium. So if you go to pay premium and if you write the policy, so you can see that this is the amount you need to pay. So this is the dummy payment. So bank transfer, uh, can bank transfer. Right. So save this. So means that you made the premium payment. So here is a premium paid list. So what are the money you paid? That list is there here. So it automatically you can able to view that. So on the other side, in the admin now policy taken list, you can see that Chandan, the policy is taken. So premium is 6,100. And premium paid list, again here you can see that 1002 6,100 bank transfer. So the bank transfer is done. So FAQ, as I told already, these are the common features we can adapt in every website. These are frequently asked questions. What are the entries you done? Common question and corresponding answer. So that will be reflect in the user list. So if I click here, which are the products available? All types of products. Fine. So commonly, what are the common questions people can ask? All these you need to type here and the corresponding answer. At least 5 to 6 questions will do the job. So here we check the functionality and we taking for the unit testing and the integration testing. So everything is working fine. So then real data you need to enter. So therefore that required a little domain knowledge, then like how the insurance works, that kind of knowledge, and then what are the policies are, you need to write down all the policies that we need to enter it here. So ultimately you need to know the both the things. So like how to write the software and how the domain works, how the domain things are, like where how the insurance works. That is also important. So doing this kind of projects will help you to get the job in insurance segment. Therefore, please keep try to do this project. And if you have any doubts or anything you'd like to know, please write it in the comment box. Let me know what you're thinking. Thank you.